guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always, I love Mom over here.
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
If you're into this channel, you don't know what to do, we do cooking tips, anything I'm going to do with kitchen, but yeah. So anyways guys, today we're going to be doing just potato snacks, just something you can eat on the side, when you're bored. So anyways guys, be sure to like the video, comment, subscribe, what you like to see us, so comment what you like to see us do. And yeah, let's get into the video.
So we have this fish here. We are going to wash the fish. So I don't know the shape to cut, but let me see.
It's not like cutting your basic fish.
Yeah, I want to cut it in another shape. So he's giving me this thing.
Is it your first time dealing with this type of fish?
I'm cutting it this way.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
So guys, hope you can see it. This is how far I can just cut it like this. Okay, so that's it. That I was really going for. Thank God I achieved it. Okay, I'm having lime in my hand. I like using turmeric. I had added pepper, so I added black pepper. I'm going to be frying it now. I have my oil in here. I'll be dropping up onion, so I'll be putting in the fish. Okay, I think that will be all for now. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake here. I forgot to add salt to it, so now I'm going to be adding salt to this particular one. Once this one is out from the fire, I'll just sprinkle salt on it. So this is it. I want to check something. Oh my God. You will not even know there's no salt in this fish. I did not add salt to this particular one. So that's why I said I should taste it and see if it's bad. Honestly, it's nice. As you can see, I have my potato here. This is sweet potato. So I'll be frying it also. So this is it. This is how I cut it. I'll just put it and fry it. Okay? Hello friends. So welcome back. As you can see, we are done. So this is the results. This is the fish. Let me get mine. This is the fish and this is the potato, sweet potato. So, and here we have ketchup to use and melange,
Okay guys. Yeah, as you can see, this is it now. As you say, it's easy, it's snack, something you can do. It's very quick, simple. Even if you want to put something in your mouth, you can easily make this and you can, it's really nice
and affordable.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's give it, score it.
Yeah.
The fish, oh my God, the fish. Let me show my people. Is the fish. I really love the fish.
Yeah, I'm going first with the potato. You take fish. You take one potato. You make sure you manage to get all of them together. Make sure you mix them very well. Once you mix them together, then you drip it so not too much.
Enjoyment, guys.
Then watch. You make sure it goes in smooth. Oh.
So guys, this is really nice, honestly. So I don't know what else to say. Okay, let me thank my subscribers. Please, thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. In fact, if I have one new subscriber, I used to celebrate it as my children. Where can you see them and ask? But honestly, I really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Okay guys, we're 100 subscribers and going. We're still climbing. Make sure to subscribe if you love, you love to cook, cooking tips and stuff. So anyways, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you love this video. You help the video move further, so give the thumbs up. And that's it for the video, guys. As you can see, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys,
it's nice.
We'll see you in the next video. Eat healthy, stay healthy.
See you in our next video. Bye.
Yes.